Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Trooper Bond on the North Carolina State Highway Patrol.
Yes, sir.
You know I might be stopping you right now?
No, sir.
You know what the speed limit is on this roadway?
Yes, sir.
Which would be 55, correct?
Yes, sir.
You know how fast you're actually going?
No, sir.
71 miles an hour. Is there any reading for your speed?
In the world is moving. I'm sorry, say it again.
Is there any reason for your speed this evening, sir?
No, I wasn't aware I was speeding. I'm sorry.
Do you have your license and registration on you, please?
I do not.
I'm sorry?
I do not. In the state of North Carolina, I do not need a driver's license to drive. I'm traveling.
I cannot hear every track.
I am.
Okay, there's the moment. Before that, he was doing the respectful thing and just accepting whatever the officer was saying to him because he pulled him over for speeding. That was pretty obvious. And yes, there's a dog in the background, and I'm worried about the dog already.
Traveling. I'm not driving. I'm traveling, sir.
Okay. In the state of North Carolina, it is state law if you're on a state-maintained roadway that you're required by state law to possess a valid driver's license, and upon legal
If
request
I
by
was
sworn law enforcement officer, which is what I am.
If I was driving under commerce, I'm not operating under a company that I'm getting paid for.
Right, so I'm gonna have you listen to me for a second. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I've asked you for your license now.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm telling you to give me your license.
Okay.
This next step after that will be to forcibly remove you from your vehicle.
Okay. Under what grounds?
Because you are in violation of state law.
Okay.
I'm a state law enforcement officer.
I understand.
Enforcing state law.
I understand.
So this can go one of two ways.
Okay.
You can either provide me with your identification.
I don't have it. I can give you my name, but I don't have my license.
Sufficient. Do you have a valid driver's license in the state of North Carolina?
I do.
You do. Do you know that your driver's license number?
I
Is there any reason why you're not carrying it with you?
don't. I was traveling from point A to point B.
I understand that. But again, there's a speed limit.
Well, under Black Law Dictionary, it clearly states I have to have a driver's license if I was working under commerce.
Okay.
You feel me? I'm not. I'm traveling from point A to point B.
I can understand.
Yeah, we've heard you're traveling from point A to point B. Everyone's traveling from point A to point B at all times. It doesn't need to be said. And I actually do appreciate you dropping the Black's Law because we know it's everything you say after that is complete nonsense.
I'm sympathetic towards you with that. However, this would not be the place to argue that, okay? The place to argue would be in a courtroom.
Okay.
So if you would, I need you to provide me with your full name, your date of birth.
Under my Fourth Amendment, right, I would prefer not to give out any information.
Okay.
If I'm not lawfully arrested.
That I've already asked you once. I'm now telling you, and I told you what the
did I commit a criminal offense?
Actually, yes.
Did I hurt anybody? Did I injure anybody?
You've committed a criminal offense, yes. It's actually a misdemeanor in the state of North Carolina speed that you're traveling at.
At 71 in a 65?
Actually, for your speed alone right now, I can arrest you.
In a 65? I'm sorry, this is 55. Am I right? This is 55?
So right now, you're putting me in jeopardy by standing on the shoulder right now on the roadway. I don't really...
Okay, you can come on this side.
I understand that.
You can come on. I rode more in there. I come on. I want you to feel safe.
Okay. The longer we stand out here, the longer I stand out here, the greater risk. I'm just
doing everything by the law.
I understand that.
And the law states by the Black Law Dictionary.
Nice, polite.
And I appreciate that. And I understand that.
But I'm going to make this enforcement action.
Okay.
If you don't allow me to do that, you will be placed.
I'm not stopping you from doing anything.
I will take you out of this vehicle.
I'm not stopping you from doing anything. You got the plates, you can write the car ticket. I'm not stopping you from doing anything. I don't think.
Part 1. Attorney Mike Grevin is back with another wild sovereign citizen traffic stop. A driver gets pulled over for speeding 71 in a 55, but instead of simply accepting the ticket, he starts with the classic line, "I'm not driving, I'm traveling." The officer stays calm and professional, but you can already tell this stop is about to spiral fast.
I'm doing is quoting the law.
Okay. All right. So are you going to provide me with the information or not? I just need a yes or no. Before you answer, I'm going to let you know. If you tell me no, that's fine. You are well within your rights to say no there.
But there's repercussions though, right? So then I don't have a right. My rights are taken away.
I just want to make sure you're fully aware of your consequences of your actions. Okay, so as long as you're fully aware of that and you make your choice, that's fine. Okay.
Okay.
I just want to make sure.
I just want to do everything by the law. By the law, I want to do everything. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do it because I don't want to.
But not North Carolina law. He wants to do it by the power of Grayskull and Black's Law Dictionary.
By the power of Grayskull.
Agree to having a business with your organization, your corporation. I don't want business with you. You feel me? I'm traveling freely from point A to point B.
You actually have the right.
I'm not working under any employment right now.
I'm shocked.
I understand. You have absolutely every single right to travel.
Yes, sir.
Without a driver's license.
Okay, so what's the problem?
I.e., you can walk. You have absolutely every single right to travel.
Yes, sir.
Without a driver's license.
Okay, so what's the problem?
I.e., you can walk.
No, I'm not gonna walk. This is my personal property right here. Why would I have to walk?
This
for a ticket.
Hold on.
For a civil ticket.
This is a state-maintained highway.
Okay, that I pay for. Yeah, paid full back tax dollars. Right. Right. So why do I need to walk? Because I don't want to present my ID.
State law has a speed limit.
Do you have a supervisor?
Because
do you have a supervisor?
The safety of others.
Can I speak to your supervisor, please? Maybe he might know what I'm talking about. Right, I mean, you can write a ticket. I'm not stopping you from doing your job, sir. Yes, sir.
Only highway patrolman right now.
We got. All right. Can you call the sheriff deputy, supervisor?
Can you call the sheriff deputy? They really have a fascination. This is part of the lore, is that the sheriff is the ultimate authority. It's complete nonsense. They're just different agencies that cover different things. They have their own jurisdiction and what they deal with. No, he can't call the sheriff. I'm sure he knows some locally or whatever, because law enforcement tends to know each other. But he has no authority to have a sheriff come out to his traffic stop.
They are. I'm not with the sheriff's office.
Well, you need a supervisor when a taxpaying citizen asking for a supervisor. So
take the continued, even after I've told you what the consequences of your actions are, I'm going to take that as you're lawfully or unlawfully refusing our.
I'm not unlawfully doing anything. I'm doing everything by the book. I'm trying to do everything by the book.
Step out. You're under arrest.
For what? What am I under arrest for?
Lawful order.
Which was what?
You are under arrest at this point.
That's not a lawful order. That's not a lawful order, sir. Me refusing my name, give you ID is not a lawful order. Because I just quoted Black Law Dictionary to you. I just quoted Black Law, did I not? Did I not? I do not need a license to travel from point A to point B if I'm not working.
My patience is wearing.
I understand that. Can you call your supervisor?
I don't need to.
You do need to. I asked for a supervisor, sir.
You are under arrest at this point in time.
For what?
I love it. He says I don't need to, and I wonder why more law enforcement doesn't just say that. He says I'm the only trooper.
Driver refuses to hand over his license, claiming North Carolina law doesn't require one unless he's operating in commerce. He even brings up Black's Law Dictionary like it overrides actual state law. The officer explains multiple times that on a state roadway, a valid license is required, but the man keeps arguing nonsense.
Here, which would make sense. It looks like it's a quiet night or whatever. So I don't know why they usually do call the supervisor out, but it was just nice to hear that.
For your speed of 71 and 55 miles an hour.
Can you show me proof of that? Can you show me proof of that?
Yes, I can. But
you got it on your radar that I was going 71 miles per hour.
Yeah, but you're under arrest at this point, so it's too late.
Okay.
I gave you the consequence of your actions. You made your choice for you. You need to live with that. All right, and if you don't get out of this vehicle,
I'm not gonna do anything towards you or anything. I'm going to comply to your order, sir. You know, I just want to have a dialogue. That's all I want. I know, I understand. I just want to have a dialogue because what I'm doing, I feel that I'm certain my rights.
I understand that, and I explained to you that.
I just want to have a dialogue, and I feel. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't make Oscar beg. It's rude.
This is not the place to argue. The courtroom is the place to argue.
But this is the place to argue because you're putting me over. You're the one pulling me over. And you won't give me a supervisor.
All right, so just like before, I gave you consequences for your actions. Right? I'm trying to be as
Yes, sir.
as possible.
And I'm telling you, you can write a ticket. I'm not stopping you from doing your job.
I've already told you at this point in time is we're beyond that. You're under arrest.
Oh, he's writing a ticket. but thanks for your unnecessary authority on the topic.
And I'm asking you, why am I under arrest?
I've explained that to you.
You cannot, failure ID is a secondary crime, sir.
I tried to write you a citation. You wouldn't allow me to do that.
Write a
You're on your
citation.
way.
Write a citation.
You wouldn't.
I give you my name right now. Write a citation. Cause I got $3 inside this car.
I'm arrested. You have to understand.
I'm not arrested right now.
You are under arrest.
Not lawfully, sir.
Not to forcibly remove you from.
I like that too. I'm not arrested. It's my favorite. That might go on the thumbnail. I really like. It's one of my favorites. Just straight up denial of reality. Yeah, you know the guy. He said you're arrested. You're arrested. As a matter of law, you are arrested. That's it. You just denying it doesn't make any difference.
Can you just call your supervisor? That's all I'm asking a supervisor, sir.
You're about to catch additional charges on top of it.
How? I'm not. What charges? What resisting? Resist means physical. Resisting means physical.
You're not being compliant.
I don't have to be compliant, sir. I don't have to answer your questions.
As soon as I get,
I don't have to answer your question.
Physical with you.
I don't want you to get physical. I don't want you to get physical.
I didn't want it to get to this point. I tried to work with you.
I got $3 in here that might attack you if you get physical.
But I can't unarrest you at this point. So,
Well, then, if you can't unarrest me, call for a supervisor.
I'm gonna
Please.
tell you what happened.
Yes, sir. Please. I'm just asking. Please
Listen, I'm gonna
call
give
for a
you- just like
supervisor.
before, I'm going to give you your options. I'm going to let you make a choice for yourself because you're a grown man.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Option one
Yes, sir.
would be for you to comply with me, step out of your vehicle, and go with me. So identify who you are. Get your ticket there and you'll be bonded. Okay? Well, option two would be-
Why is this gotta be? Why is it gotta be straight to arrest though? Why do it have to be straight to arrest?
Hold on. Option two would be exactly the same thing, except for the fact that force is removed from the vehicle one way or another.
Okay, but why do I have to end to
Use
this?
the force necessary to remove you from the vehicle.
Okay, I understand that. I'm not gonna give you that opportunity to satisfy that part for you, sir, because I know that's part of what you want. Because this is escalated so quick to arrest. Arrest because I'm stating law to you.
And you have.
I don't have to comply. I don't have to comply. 'Cause my Fifth Amendment right stands. I can remain silent. I just wanted to quote the law to you.
So here's
I'm about to step out.
The officer asks for his name and date of birth, and the driver refuses again, saying it violates his Fourth Amendment rights. He demands a supervisor and even asks for the sheriff, believing they have higher authority. The trooper doesn't budge and makes it clear: comply now or be arrested.
I'm about to step out because I don't want you to be forceful to me, and I'm not doing nothing to you.
What I'd like you to do is I want you to step around the front of the vehicle, not between the two.
No, I want to step back here in the back where your camera can see.
But if you step between the two vehicles and somebody runs in the back of my car,
Yes, sir.
I don't walk between my vehicles.
But I want that camera to see everything that you're doing. Because when I step out, I don't want you to be all
The
aggressive.
whole thing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get back there. But
Yes,
what I'm
sir.
saying is when you come out, we're going around.
Okay. And then go back that way?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Can I cut my car off?
Yes, you may. Before you step out,
No, I don't. I don't. No, sir. All right. Got the keys out. I'm putting the keys on the, matter of fact, can I just take the keys with me?
Sorry?
Can I just take the keys with me?
You can take your keys. You have any kind of pocket knives or anything on it?
I don't, no.
You can carry your keys with you. All right? You can carry your keys. You can bring your phone with you.
All right. I'm reaching for my other phone. Nothing else.
Hold on. Wait. You said that now. Like I said, just come around the front of the truck.
Yes, sir.
You're going to walk back into my patrol vehicle, okay?
Yes, sir. My phone.
Do you have anything on you?
I don't.
You might have to check your pockets. I'm not going to search you. I just want to make
I
sure
mean,
how
I'm
to go.
already arrested, so I mean, you're gonna have to check me regardless.
wanna make
Can I
sure
put my cigarettes inside the car? There's nothing in there.
That's fine. You can put your cigarettes in there. And just come
And
out.
I got a lighter too.
You can do it there if you want to.
Yes, sir.
If you want to, you can set your phone on the hood of my car. My camera's right here. You
Okay.
can see it. It's looking right at us.
Okay. Why does every time? Yes, sir. Why does every time citizens assert their rights, they go to jail?
Well, again, I'm trying to explain this.
Okay, well, we was doing nicely by just talking. I was just wanting to talk. Like, this is my first time trying to assert my rights. This is something I just learned. So I wanted to try to practice my...
And that's why I tried to...
I don't know if you could hear it, but he says, this is the first time I tried to assert my rights. Oh, Lord. Means we've got a new convert to the nonsense. Hopefully, this sets him straight.
Explain to you. I tried to explain to you the consequences of action so you understand what they were. And you can make
That's why I asked for your supervisor, because I wanted to see what he would say.
He would tell you, I guarantee you.
Now, I want to hear from him, though,
grab your
because
phone
he
for
might
you?
know more than you. You feel me? Because that's why he's a supervisor. He's superior.
Just come over here.
Yes, sir.
Just step toward, I'm gonna open this door, so step right here. It's back. You're gonna sit in the front. And put your phone up here on the dash.
All right, thank you.
A simple speeding ticket into a roadside standoff. The driver is finally placed under arrest. Only then does he suddenly offer to give his name. Too late. In the end, a routine citation became an arrest. All because he believed internet sovereign citizen myths instead of real law.